Imagine a force so powerful that it can transcend the boundaries of time, space, and even the very soul itself. A force so pure that it unites the human heart with the divine, the self with the other, and the material with the spiritual. This force is not war, not power, not intellect, it is love. In the poetry of the 13th century Persian mystic and poet Jalal al-Din Rumi, love emerges not just as an emotion, but as the central thread of existence, the bridge between the human and the divine, and the means by which one can achieve spiritual enlightenment. Rumi's conception of love stretches far beyond the ordinary notions of romantic attachment. His love is a cosmic force, a vehicle for transcending the self, a path to divine union, and a means to truly understand one's place in the universe. In Rumi's works, love is at the heart of every spiritual journey, every human connection, and every moment of awakening. The poet speaks of love as a sacred, transformative energy that moves beyond boundaries, earthly, emotional, and spiritual. His words resonate deeply because they speak to a universal truth. Love, in all its forms, is the ultimate key to understanding the divine and our place in the cosmos. This essay will explore Rumi's portrayal of love, illustrating how it weaves together themes of spiritual enlightenment and human connection, as well as how it serves as a tool for transcending the limits of human existence. Welcome to the Unfolding Journey channel. Before we dive deeper into Rumi's profound wisdom, I want to take a moment to welcome you to the Unfolding Journey YouTube channel. Here, we explore the mysteries of life, spirituality, and self-discovery through timeless works of art, literature, and philosophy. Our mission is to help you unravel the deeper meanings in the world around you, connect more deeply with your inner self, and embark on your own journey of transformation. If you're passionate about exploring these themes, you're in the right place. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel as we continue to unfold the layers of meaning behind some of the world's most profound teachings and ideas. For Rumi, love is the force that underpins the entire cosmos. In his iconic poem, The Guest House, he describes human emotions as guests, and love is the ultimate host that welcomes them. Here, love serves as a divine and welcoming energy that brings transformation to the soul. The poem reads, "This moment you've been given is a gift, like a guest who arrives unannounced. Love is the guest and you are the home." Through this simple yet profound metaphor, Rumi emphasizes that love is not something external we seek, but a divine presence that already resides within us. The soul's transformation happens not by fighting these guests, our emotions, but by embracing them with love, which leads us to greater spiritual understanding. Furthermore, in the Masnavi, Rumi extends the concept of love as a divine energy by suggesting that love is the fuel for spiritual growth. He writes, "Love is the master, and the soul is the servant. Whoever has tasted love will know the depths of joy. It takes the heart beyond this world into eternity." This statement reflects Rumi's belief that love is not just a fleeting emotion, but a divine power that propels the seeker towards a higher state of consciousness. Through love, Rumi suggests that one can shed the limitations of the ego and embark on a journey of self-realization and spiritual awakening. Love, in Rumi's eyes, is the force that takes the soul beyond earthly concerns and connects it to the divine. Rumi's poetry consistently links love to the idea of spiritual enlightenment. He portrays love as a transformative experience that helps one shed the ego, the false sense of self, and aligns the heart with the truth of the divine. This is especially evident in his famous poem, The Soul of the World, in which he speaks of love as the key to inner purification. "I want to be with those who know secret things or else alone." Here, Rumi expresses a deep yearning for connection with those who have attained spiritual wisdom, people who understand that love is the essence of the soul's true nature. His words reflect the idea that love transcends the mundane and the worldly. Only by aligning ourselves with this pure love, he suggests, can we begin to understand our true purpose and the mysteries of the universe. In the Divanishams, Rumi's poems also center on the idea of divine love as the path to enlightenment, and he often refers to his beloved as the source of all that is divine and sacred. In one such poem, he writes, "The lover's cause is separate from all other causes. Love is the astrolabe of God's mysteries." In this verse, Rumi emphasizes the unique role love plays in uncovering the divine mysteries of life. The lover, who seeks the beloved, whether human or divine, is depicted as someone who is embarking on a journey that goes beyond the intellectual pursuit of knowledge. For Rumi, love is not only an emotional force, it is a spiritual compass, guiding one towards the ultimate realization of God's presence in every aspect of existence. In Rumi's worldview, love is not confined to a personal or romantic relationship, but is an energy that connects all beings, both human and divine. His poetry often speaks of the love between a human and a spiritual master, or between lovers who transcend the material realm to experience union on a soul level. One of Rumi's most famous metaphors is that of the reed, or ney, which symbolizes the soul's longing for reunion with the divine. In the Nainama, the Book of the Reed, Rumi writes, "Listen to the reed as it tells its tale, telling the story of separation and longing for the beloved." Here, the reed serves as a symbol of separation, but it also symbolizes the longing to be reunited with the divine, much like human souls are constantly seeking connection with the divine source. Love, for Rumi, is the key to bridging this gap. He teaches that the love we seek in human relationships is but a reflection of the divine love that exists between all beings. In the poem The Lover's Discourse, Rumi emphasizes the interconnection of human beings through love. He writes, "I am not this body or this mind. I am the lover, and the lover is the beloved." This verse touches on the idea that the lover and the beloved are one, and that in the truest sense, love unites all beings. Through love, Rumi teaches, we see that the separation between individuals is an illusion. The love between human beings, when it is pure and selfless, is a reflection of the love that exists between the soul and the divine. In Rumi's most profound works, love becomes the ultimate means of transcending the self and experiencing union with the divine. Rumi constantly reminds us that true love is not selfish or possessive but liberating. In his poem Don't Grieve, he shares, "Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in new form. It's the thought of separation that destroys us." Here, Rumi highlights the idea that love is not about attachment, but about embracing the flow of life. By letting go of the ego, we can understand that love is not something to possess, but something to experience as part of the interconnectedness of all life. Love becomes the transformative force that dissolves the barriers of the self and allows the seeker to merge with the divine. In this state of divine union, Rumi suggests there is no longer a need for attachment to worldly things or even to the self, as one has transcended these limitations. As he writes in The Essential Rumi, "You are not just the drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop." This verse encapsulates Rumi's belief that, in love, we experience the oneness of all things. When we open ourselves to divine love, we begin to realize our own divine nature. The boundaries of the self dissolve, and we become the expression of universal love, transcending all separation and duality. In conclusion, Rumi's poetry offers a timeless and profound exploration of love as the ultimate transformative force. Whether as a vehicle for spiritual enlightenment, a bridge for human connection, or a path to divine union, love emerges in his work as the central thread of life itself. For Rumi, love is not a passive emotion but an active force, a constant presence in the world that calls us to transcend our limited understanding of the self and reconnect with the divine. By understanding love as both an internal and external force, we gain access to a deeper, more fulfilling way of being in the world. As we embark on our own journeys towards spiritual awakening and enlightenment, Rumi's teachings remind us that love is always the answer, guiding us toward greater connection, understanding, and transcendence. As you continue to explore his work, may you feel the embrace of love, not just as a feeling, but as the force that holds the universe together. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Rumi's mystical understanding of love. If this discussion sparked something within you, make sure to subscribe to the Unfolding Journey channel. We'll continue to delve deeper into the spiritual teachings of great thinkers, poets, and sages from around the world. Don't miss out. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos. Until next time, may love guide your path.